What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a game pass in Roblox. So guys, it is very easy to do, so you want to follow me step by step. So what you want to do, once you're inside your Roblox account, go ahead and click on create from the menu options here. And from here on the left hand side, go ahead and click on creations. Now from here, all you have to do is just select an experience. So you will most likely have an experience if you have entered into one before. So as you can see, I have one here, it's public. So I'm going to click on that one. And once you're inside the experience on the left hand side, scroll down and you will find the option that says monetizations. And under monetization, go ahead and click on passes. Now scroll on a bit under the creation section and you will see where it says create a pass. Go ahead and click on that blue button there that says create a pass. Give your pass a name. So I can just say Roby. I'm going to call it Roby, right? For example, Roby, something like that. Or Robley, maybe that sounds nice. And you can give it a name, whatever it is. It's optional, right? So I'm going to go ahead and say and call it Robley. What as an description as well, or super robly, that might be really nice. So let's say super robly. Guys, this is just me, I'm just making up stuff here, right? So from here, once you fill in your description, it's optional, or you give it a name, then go ahead and click on create a pass, right? That's very easy. You create a pass. Now just in case you want to make your Roblox public and you also want to put it on sale, as you can see right here, it says current price, it says off sale. So you want to go ahead and do that. So to do this is super easy. Click on your Roblox or Game Pass there, and on the left hand side you want to go where it says sale, and you want to turn on where it says item for sale. Just simple toggle that on and it's going to put it on sale, and you want to put in a price. So from here, just go ahead and put in a price that you wish, how much Robux you want. So let's say I want 10, for example. All I have to do is just go ahead and put in the value and go ahead and click save changes. Go ahead and click on proceed, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So if I go back to my passes again and scroll down, you will see that it is now enabled, it is now public, it's now on sale, and that's all there is to it, guys. It's very easy and very simple. Hope you found value within this video, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.